Lesson 15.
Amigo, amiga.
In the last lesson, we talked about pairs of nouns where there is a masculine and a feminine counterpart. And that's how it is with our two words for this lesson. Amigo ends with the letter O, and amiga ends with the letter A. Hopefully by now you're getting accustomed to knowing that nouns that end with O tend to be masculine, and nouns that end with A tend to be feminine. So an amigo is going to be a male friend, and an amiga is going to be a female friend. Okay, let's take a look at our exercises. In number 1, we have the masculine form, amigo, and it's being introduced by a masculine article, in this case, the definite article el. So number 1 will say, the friend, and it's talking about a friend of the male gender. In number 2, we have the feminine form, amiga, and it's being introduced by the feminine definite article, la. So number 2 will say, the friend, and it's talking about a friend of the female gender. In number 3, we're back to the masculine form, amigo, and amigo is introduced by the indefinite masculine article, un. We'll translate un as a or an. So number 3 will say, a friend. And of course, it's talking about a friend of the male gender. In number 4, we have the indefinite article again, except this time it's feminine, una, and it's introducing the feminine word amiga. So number 4 will say, a friend, and it's talking about a friend of the female gender. In number 5, tu means your, and amiga is friend. So number 5 will say, your friend, and of course it's referring to a friend of the female gender. In number 6, me means my, and amigo is friend. So number 6 will say, my friend, and of course it's referring to a friend of the male gender. In number 7, me means my, and amiga means friend. Tu means your, and hermana means sister. So number 7 will say, my friend and your sister. And of course the word amiga is referring to a friend of the female gender. In number 8, me means my, and hermano means brother. So number 8 says, my brother. In number 9, we have two definite articles. First we have la, which introduces the noun niña, and then we have el, which introduces the noun niño. So number 9 will say the girl and the boy. In number 10, me means my, hermano means brother, tu means your, and hermana means sister. So number 10 will say my brother and your sister.